Today at our stand at IDET, I welcome Mr. Olivera Mittelsdorfa from Rheinmetall. Hello, Oliver.
Thank you.
Good to see you again. How are you? Rheinmetall's exposition this year clearly shows the trends that actually no single piece of equipment is to succeed alone outside a whole system of assets. What did you bring to IDET this year?
I think the most obvious and the heaviest, biggest piece of equipment is the LYNX KF41 infantry fighting vehicle, which is the basis or the core of the equipment we have brought. So in combination with the combat vehicle, we have brought the Gladius future soldier system, which gives the actual soldier the connection to the vehicle, and to the vehicle or from the vehicle he or she can get the information from the command and control system and get all the reconnaissance information that the vehicle creates. But every single soldier with the Gladius equipment is also a sensor in the network, so you are receiving information and you can feed in information. So that is one of the crucial parts to, let's say, digitalize the battlefield. And in combination with that, we brought our little reconnaissance and infantry support doggy, our Lassie, which is also, with regards to the unmanned capabilities, a very special feature for the unmanned ground capabilities we add to the infantry squad. And of course we then brought our weapon portfolio with the MK30-2 machine cannon, and also all the other stuff that is arranged around these crucial components.
Concerning weapons, the LYNX KF41 comes here with the remote weapon station. What are the main features of the MSSA?
So the MSSA is actually, it's a very economic and optimized concept of combining the commander side with a remote control weapon station. Sometimes you see this, you just add a remote control weapon station to a turret. On the main battle tank that might work, because the main battle tank gives you a lot of space, but we are in an infantry fighting vehicle, we are constrained, everybody is constrained with weight and space. So therefore we just said you can save weight, you can save budget by combining the commander side with a remote control weapon station. That is the economic point of view. From the operational point of view, the good thing is the commander in the engagement chain, he's looking for the targets, and it could happen that there is a threat directly popping up in front of him, like 100 meters away, a guy with an RPG. So therefore then he can immediately start the engagement with the MSSA. And another feature of the MSSA is also the very high elevation range, which is 70 degrees plus. So when you are in an urban scenario, you get threat from the rooftops, you can immediately engage the threat there. And it's also completely adaptable, starting from 7.62 machine gun to heavy machine gun, or to an automatic grenade launcher with 40 millimeters.
Great. And you've also mentioned the new 30mm automatic cannon that you brought to IDET. In which way does it differ from other weapons of the same category or the same class?
So the MK30-2 is, let's say, has already been in the market for quite a while. It's the main weapon of the Lance turret in service in Australia. Under production for Hungary, in service in Germany with the Puma. So it's a very good example for German engineering capabilities. What differs? First, the precision. The MK30-2 is the most precise machine cannon at the moment at the market. Second, the endurance. So the weapon is a gas pressure loader. That can go up to 600 rounds per minute. For an infantry fighting vehicle, we are using it for maximum 200 rounds per minute. But because of this, it has a very high lifetime and reduced, of course, reduced logistical costs because of that. and then also the range that you can use this. So you can use this gun both for infantry fighting vehicles, but it gives you the capability when you go up to 600 rounds per minute to also have real air defense engagements. Combined with the unique kinetic energy time fused ammunition, which programs each round with the actual ejection time to the target. This is a very lethal and precise weapon that gives the a very good capability to the commander of the vehicle.
Well, you personally, you have experience from the Bundeswehr. You've served with the German army.
Yep.
Can I ask you actually in which position, in which branch of Bundeswehr did you serve?
I served 12 years in the German Army Air Defense. So therefore I'm always, I'll always like to look for these air defense applications because they're becoming more and more critical nowadays. And my last posting was in a research and development unit for the introduction of at that time, new air defense system into the German army. Right,
okay. Well, today we see rapid development of technologies around. And you have already mentioned the Gladius 2.0, which is a system which integrates different capabilities. What is the purpose of this system, Gladius 2.0?
The purpose is actually to bring the information to every man and woman in the theater, and not only the information, but the right information in real time. So to increase the situational awareness of each soldier on the battlefield, and this is the big activity and the purpose of all the digitalization and network capability we are building up at the moment.
Right. Is it going to be put in operation by Bundeswehr?
So the Gladius, other way. So the Gladius itself is our company product name. Yeah. The system itself is in service in the German Bundeswehr, as it's called IDETu, Infantry Man of the Future. And when you are working with IT, is actually you always have to develop. If you stand still, you fall back. Yes. So therefore, we are continuously developing and improving our system.
And you've also mentioned your nice little good doggy. You call it Lassie?
Yeah, somebody came up with Lassie.
Right.
We are still searching for a good name.
Right. Rheinmetall Robotics L. It's a 4-legged remote control robot. What can it do?
It's actually a supportive device for the infantry when they are going on a mission. Right. So maybe one very easy mission would be to carry equipment. It has a payload of 13 kilograms, so it can transport ammunition into a, let's say, spot that's under fire or that's hard to access. But from my perspective, this is just a very minor capability and not the, let's say, the most important one. So you can put this doggy on on patrol, so like a watchdog. So you can have him or her or it. You can have it walking around. It has a night vision, and so that you can secure your perimeter with this doggy. But also, if you are concerned that maybe somebody manipulates one of your vehicles or one of your installations, you can send the doggy there and make the first reconnaissance, and then your soldiers, your personnel is not put into danger. So these are the actual ideas. And of course, when you give this equipment to the soldiers, the infantry guys, they will find thousands of more activities you can use this doggy for.
Does it bark?
You can make everything. You can make it shout also. So then you can go then from Chihuahua to Rottweiler or something. Up to you.
Well, and how do you like IDETu this year?
I really like it very much. So after COVID last year, and it's really great to be at these face-to-face events. We are pretty busy, and I'm looking forward for today. So yeah, I really like IDETu.
Is there any particular exposition that you've enjoyed besides obviously Rheinmetall's exposition?
Oh yes, we have met already with several of our partners here in the country. We were able already to sign a little contract for some supplies. So I'm definitely happy here.
Great. Thank you for coming, Oliver, and looking forward to meet you again at another opportunity.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thanks.